What's up, guys? Check this out. It's a fresh trade we have. Now, to the best of my knowledge, this vehicle is not a retail piece. We will be sending it to auction, but this is going to be one of the first videos I make where you can guess the mileage on this truck. As long as you're within 5,000 miles, the first person who guesses the mileage, I'll send them a nice little reward. It would be down in the comment section, of course. And you don't have to subscribe. Just as long as you get it within the 5,000 miles of how much miles it actually has, I'll send you a neat little reward. 10, 15, 20, 30, 50 bucks. This should be pretty neat. This is, let's see here. It does not tell me the mileage, by the way, guys. This is all stock. So it's a 2006 Ford F-250 XLT diesel. I don't know the mileage it has. I'm just going to make an educated guess with you guys based off the condition. 2006. Check this out. It looks relatively clean. There it is. Super Duty. Nice tires, tow package. Looks like the guy really took care of it. Big meaty tires. Looks like it's basically new. This tonneau cover looks like it's a decent one too. Trifold. But yeah, guys, check this out. Based off the condition of it, it's got nice chrome running boards. Let's see, turbo diesel. The paint looks like it's decent. Now the giveaway would be that the paint's fading right up there. So that tells me that this truck, I mean, granted it's 15, 16, 17 years old. It's been sitting outside, it looks like. So he probably drove it a decent amount. It's got a couple of chips in the front. You can't really see them, but when you zoom in, you can see the little chips. So, safe to say, I'd say it's got 80, 90,000 miles based off what I see out here. I don't know what you guys think, but let's go ahead and open her up. Oof. Immaculate interior. Freaking immaculate. Manuals. Oh, second set of keys. Good thing I came out here. It's got the bench seating. Clean. Yeah, it's a really, really nice, well-kept interior. No power seats, it looks like. Not on the passenger side, at least. I've always wanted one of these trucks. Tows a lot. Well-kept interior. Either it's really clean or he knew he was trading it in. There's that. Nicks and marks. Let's check and see how the bed is. Oh, it's nice. A drop-in bed liner, but it looks like he took care of it for the most part. Nah, you know what? I think this one might be one of those trucks that's hidden, and by that I mean you'd never know. But this one might actually have 180, 190,000 miles, and we'll just never know it. Really, really well kept. But you know what? I'm going to stick with what I said. I think this truck has about 110,000 miles. And I just seen the mileage. I was wrong. So, I'm not going to show you guys the mileage, but it's not 110, I'll tell you that. No power seats, but wow, man, is this really, really well kept. Check that out. Let's see if we can at least get it to turn on. As it should. Trailer brake control. For your safety, la da 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 da. Looks like he has an upgraded sound system, or at least the door speakers. These are interesting trucks. They're interesting trucks in regards to what they can do. A Super Duty, these last 300,000-400,000 miles. They're known to last that much miles. 2006. You got your mic right up there. Super Duty, highly sought after. Again, it is not for sale. Just simply wanting to play a little game with you guys, and figured you guys might enjoy it. But this is here at Big Valley Ford. These are all the other trade-ins we get. We get a ton of them. Ford Flex, Ford Focus, Expedition that's limited, stealth model, Rangers. I mean, you get a bunch of trade-ins, but every now and then I'll just come out here and pick a random one and we'll guess the mileage together. You guys might have some fun with it, make a little bit of money. I think it'll be fun. So again, this is number 1 F-250. I'll be posting this every 2 or 3 weeks, whenever. The first person to guess within the 5,000 miles that it actually has, I'll get in contact with you and we'll send you a nice little gift. I will, personally. So there's that. Oh, look at that. No check engine light when I turned it on though. So again, my guess was 110 and I was wrong, so I can't gift myself the reward, but you guys can win a little reward. Let me know how that sounds. Drop your comments below. If you subscribe though, I'll get you another free entry. So you get 2 entries if you subscribe or already a subscriber. But share, comment, like. Again, 2006 Ford F-250 XLT Power Stroke diesel. Thanks guys. We'll see you next time.